Hello everybody, how are you doing? Welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I'm going to be showing you what I do with my MAC single eyeshadows and what I do with them. But if you're new here, hi, welcome, thank you for joining me. My name is Marthalla Carrig and I'm a professional makeup artist when I'm not here on YouTube. On my channel we do a lot of get ready with me's, product reviews, industry tips and tricks, and a few odd bargain finds when I get a chance to go out and shop. If that is your jam, kindly consider subscribing. I'd love to have you here with me on this mad journey of YouTube and vlogs and whatever else I see appropriate for my channel. Anyhow, without further ado, let's get into it. Yes, so some of you know I was a MAC artist, so that's why I have a lot of MAC products, and I've just recently been made redundant from them, so you know, I stocked up. So here we go. This is my MAC 15 pan palette. Now you buy these empty, the little backs of them, and you fill it up with whatever colours you like. So this is where I'm kind of going with these, and these are the inserts in which I will be filling. I have 6 inserts, and I think I've got 7 eyeshadows, but I'll show you what I'll do with the last one. Because I have a plan, ladies and gentlemen, I have a plan. What you do is you get these, and they're all in these little envelopes. There we go. So this one I have here is Saddle, and we do some swatches as well. That one there is Saddle, just a really nice brown. And with these palettes, they're so handy because everything is magnetic. So when you buy these little ones, you have a magnet on the back here which says the name, and you just slot it in to whatever area you see fit. And this one is Cranberry. Cranberry. It's a really nice shade. And with these palettes as well, they literally come apart like this, so you can tip out all of the ones that you want. It can come out by just pressing in here. Now, they're all magnetic, so I can feel the pull on it, and I'm not going to take them out. I don't want them to go all over the place. So this one here is Shroom. It's just like a matte white, really good highlighter colour. Showing your brows are that. This one is Beauty Marked. You see it there? Yeah. Beauty Marked. There's Nylon. Which is such a beautiful, I love nylon. This one is Texture. As you can see, it's just nice burnt orangey colour. This one now is Brown Script. So as you can see, these ones here are quite similar, but again, on different skin tones they come out differently, and they will blend differently as well as they do on the swatches. So Cranberry is just so bomb though, isn't it? Love Cranberry. The last one that I have is Brown Script, but I'm actually after running out of space in this one, so this one is now full. That's my palette. And yeah, now we just put it back in. So as you can see, all of these are very complementary colours. I haven't took the plastic off it yet because I don't want it to get scratched. My other one is absolutely like banjax from being scratched so much. As you can see, these are all kind of like complementary colours to each other apart from that one, but I just like that one because it's a really good pop of colour. And I bought that because I wanted to get the Jaclyn Hill palette, but the only colour I didn't have out of the Jaclyn Hill palette was that green, and then MAC had it, so I was like, I'll just buy the colour because I don't need the rest of the palette, I have everything else. I just needed that colour, so yeah. These are all the kind of colours I'd wear quite often, especially like for day-to-day kind of easy glam, like what I've on me today. These would be them kind of colours, just all of these. Simple. So with the last colour I have another palette. I have a few options here. I have another little MAC 9 pan palette, but I also think, oh no I don't. I thought I had room in that one. So if anybody remembers Inglot having these round palettes back in the day, they also fit MAC eyeshadows, because that one there is a MAC one, and that one there is a MAC one, that one there is a MAC one. I think that's the Texture twice. Yeah, and that's Flumph as well. So they do fit, and that's Carbon. So the MAC eyeshadows do fit into the old Inglot palettes. This was before they had the squares back in the day. They do fit into that. So I'm just going to put my last Where's it gonna be? I'm just gonna put my last eyeshadow into my 9-pan palette. And again, these MAC ones, they come in 4, 9 and 15, so you can customize them to whatever way you want them done yourselves, you know. So very, very handy. They also come in 2s, but I've never known anybody to only use 2 eyeshadows. And I find as well that if you're somebody who's not really into your makeup and you just want like 4 colours, there's no point in you buying a palette of 15 colours or more if you're only using the 4. You know, if you only have a set 4 that you use, you're not big into your makeup, you just like a specific look and that's fine for you, and maybe you'll have 1 or 2 colours that are like, you know, just kind of thrown in there, kind of ones like your greens like I have in this. There's no point in buying a 15-pan if all you use is 2 or 3 colours. You may as well buy like a 4-pan or a 2-pan and just use that. For me personally, it's not much point me buying a 4 or a 2 because I will use every colour under the sun. I can't wait till summer comes to start wearing pinks again. Ugh, I love pink eyeshadow in the summer. It's like literally so good. So again, this palette, 9-pan, same thing. Flip it down here at the side, take it out like this, and we're going to put brown script into it. Now that one that fell out is Girly by MAC, but I took that out of its actual pot to put it in, and I put a magnet on the back of it, so I don't necessarily think it's as good as if you actually buy them, you know, just like this with their own magnets in. And there we go. And just for an FYI, if you have a Morphe palette and your Morphe eyeshadows fall out, they also fit into your MAC pans because they seem to be the standard shape, which is handy to know because at least if you ever want to take a colour out and you can bring it with you, you know they'll fit into like a smaller pan for travelling purposes. So it's all good in the hood. That's what I do with my eyeshadow singles from MAC that I've just recently got. Tidy them up and put them all away, and yeah, all ready for another day. Thank you guys again so much for watching my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye! Mwah.